Here's a 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. With some of the most important conveniences of home, this is the van you'll want to take on all of your outings. It comes with all the amenities you need: full-service internet access, heated leather bucket seats, AM/FM satellite radio, rear parking sensors, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, multi-speed automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and V6 engine. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.